Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, where it's all about crypto. Are you tired of always wondering what is that thing everyone seems to fuzz about? Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cryptocurrency insights. Okay, today, we're going to cover the basics of cryptocurrency. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They're decentralized and operate on technology called blockchain, which is a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers called nodes. One of the key aspects of cryptocurrencies is the fact that they're not controlled by any central authority, making them theoretically immune to government interference. But why does this matter? Well, it opens up possibilities for global transactions without the need for traditional intermediaries like banks. The blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies. The blockchain is the technology that underpins cryptocurrencies. It's a type of distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each block contains a list of transactions, and these blocks are linked together to form a chain. This technology ensures that all transactions are transparent and difficult to alter or delete. However, it's important to note that while it's difficult, it's not entirely impossible. For instance, network consensus can lead to changes in the blockchain through processes like forks, as seen in past events with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Decentralization, a foundational principle. Decentralization is a key feature of cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by central banks, cryptocurrencies are governed by consensus among their users. This means that no single entity has control over the currency, making it resistant to censorship and interference. However, the level of decentralization can vary depending on the cryptocurrency. Some cryptocurrencies are more centralized than others due to the number of nodes or how the consensus is managed. For example, cryptocurrencies managed by a small number of large mining pools might face different levels of central control and vulnerability to interference compared to more widely distributed networks. Digital wallets. Digital wallets are used to store and manage cryptocurrencies. They can be software-based or hardware devices, and they contain a pair of cryptographic keys, one public, one private. The public key is used to receive funds, while the private key is used to sign transactions and access funds. It's crucial to keep your private key secure, as losing it means losing access to your funds. The security of the wallet also depends on how the keys are stored and managed. For instance, online, hot wallets are convenient but may be more vulnerable to security breaches, while offline, cold storage provides a higher level of security but may be less convenient for frequent transactions. And there you have it, crypto champs. That was a quick overview of the basics of cryptocurrency. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, so always do your research and invest wisely. Did I use some unfamiliar terms in this video? If yes, well, you may find them in the description below. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe and to put a like if you want to help this channel grow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.